Princess Diana's scandalous dance for Charles. Diana Spencer dreamed of becoming a ballerina and being on the stage of the Royal Theatre since her childhood, but her dreams were not to come true. She was too tall for a ballerina, 5'10 inches. Nevertheless, she continued dancing all her life. The princess decided to give her husband a Christmas surprise. She secretly rehearsed a dance with Wayne Slipp for months. And when the couple went to the Royal Opera House for an opera on December 23, 1985, Diana took to the stage in a revealing dress and danced a rather eccentric dance paired with Wayne. When Diana came on stage, the audience roared with delight. Only Charles was horrified. The princess had been considered eccentric before, and this action brought the prince to a real shock. That evening Diana was waiting for a quarrel with her husband because the princess again drew attention to herself. It is noteworthy that photographers have been following Lady Di all her life, but they were able to find out about her performance as much as 10 years later.